Today I am going to show you how to hide Instagram following and follower list. Okay, let's start. First, go to Play Store. Search Instagram. Check update. My Instagram already updated. Click open. Click to profile icon. Hide Instagram following a follower list. Follow my L step profile. Click 3 dot. See, there is an option hide Instagram following a follower list. In method, but don't worry, I'll write Instagram follower list. And scroll down, click to account privacy. Click to private account. Click switch private. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.